Read the instructions. Open the packages and take out the components. Open the seal of the tube. Take out the swab. Use the same swab to collect samples from both nostrils. Rotate the swab 4 times for approximately 15 seconds in each nostril. Insert the swab into the tube and stir it more than 10 times. Remove the swab while squeezing the sides of the tube. Seal the tube securely with the nozzle cap. Drop exactly 4 drops onto the circular well. Read the test result after 15 to 30 minutes. If only one line is visible, the test result is negative.